Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here to the royal family, hit that subscribe button. Hit it, honey, and give this video a thumbs up. Well, I'm going to jump right on into this video, and here it goes. Well, y'all, I'm back on my little weight loss journey, trying to eat better and do right. And here lately, I've been working long hours. So with long hours, honey, I don't have time to be slaving in nobody's kitchen, cooking and carrying on. I need it quick and easy. So I want to share some quick and easy things with you guys, y'all. Whoo, y'all. Okay. The giant. That big green giant. Okay, y'all. They have this new broccoli called Tuscan seasoned broccoli. Y'all, it is absolutely delicious. I mean, you don't need to add anything to it. Just pop it in the microwave. And when it come out, fabulous. This is what it looks like. This is it, y'all. Y'all see that? Okay. Y'all see that big green giant, honey? So you can get this at your local Publix. And right now they have, you could get like 2 for $4.09. Pretty good, y'all. It is delicious. I mean, like, I could just eat the broccoli by itself. Don't have to have any other dish and be happy and content, okay, with my little broccoli. It is that good. Yes. Okay, so moving on. Bird's eye, y'all. Bird's eye say, you ain't gonna leave us hanging, honey. We got something for you. Look at this, y'all. This is by Bird's Eye. It is carrots, broccoli, florets. Carrots and broccoli florets. Y'all, it's really good. It's seasoned right. You don't have to really add nothing to it. This is all you need. Right here. All you need. Like I said, you can eat it by itself. Put it with some baked chicken. Put it with some fish. Baked fish, that is. Absolutely wonderful. Okay. And, y'all. So, if you like green beans like me, Bird's Eye. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bird's Eye has your steakhouse green beans, okay? All right, for frozen green beans, Bird's Eye, you did that. I really like it. So the other night I made some salmon and I put the little Tuscan broccoli with it. Y'all, it was good. So if you're saying, okay, well, I know I just put the vegetables into the microwave, so how did you do that salmon? Glad you asked, because I'm finna tell you. Okay, so the salmon, you know, you get your little salmon, they come in little packs like this. Okay, so put it in cold water until it, unthaws, and it only takes a few minutes for that to happen. So, take it out the pack, rinse it really well. So this is what I do to mine. All I do, y'all, Weber, it's your friend. It's your friend to the end. Do y'all hear me? Zesty lemon seasoning. Y'all, this right here is so good. Sprinkle that on now. Put a little butter on your salmon. Pop it in the oven. Let it bake for 15 minutes on 400. Let me repeat that. Put it in the oven on 400 for 15 minutes. Absolutely fabulous. Okay? Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And when it come out, glory! It will melt in your mouth. It is so good. Now, if you say, well, okay, you doing all this healthy stuff. Okay, what can I have for dessert that's, lightweight and really good? Y'all, look at it. Look at it right there. Chobani. Y'all, this Greek yogurt. It's a winner, okay? I mean, Whew, you can't beat it. All right, you just can't beat it. It's cultured low fat cane sugar fruit puree blend, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry. It's just good. Okay, I mean it is really really good. All natural ingredients. I mean it's just really really good. No fake fruit, no artificial flavors, no preservative. Here we go. No preservatives, no gluten, and it's just good. It's really, really good. So, Chobani for the win. Okay, $3.99. No, wait a minute, $4 and something at your local Publix. Okay, just it's good. I mean, really, really, really good. So, with that being said, I just wanted to share those. If you're looking for some good frozen vegetables, Nikki J got you, honey. Go to your local Publix and try them out. And once again, this season, you want to make you some good salmon. This this is it. This is a winner, okay? A real winner. So I just wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. We'll be talking real soon. All right, you know I love you, Royal Family. I'm Nikki J, and I'm out.